Hello friends, in this video we will see about C program for Diophantine equation. In number theory, what is Diophantine equation means? In number theory, Fermat's last theorem, sometimes called Fermat's conjecture, especially in older text, states that no three positive integers a, b and c satisfy the equation x power n plus y power n equal to z power n for any integer value of n greater than 2. So for example, the cases for n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2 have been known since antiquity to have infinitely many solutions. What it means like for example, n is equal to 1 means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 3 power 1 plus 5 power 1 equal to 8. For n is equal to 2 means a square plus b square equal to c square. So 9 plus 16 equal to 25. This program checks for n is equal to 3 for integers up to 13. For x is equal to 1, so then we draw an equation. So we draw the program. So program is a loop program. For x is equal to 1, x less than or equal to 13, x plus plus. And for y equal to 1, y less than or equal to 13, y plus plus. So first like this equation x power n, so x power n plus y power n equal to z power n. So first we take for x and then we go for y, and then we put x1 equal to power of x power 3 power x comma 3, y1 equal to power of y comma 3, z1 equal to x1 plus y1. So that is x power 3 plus y power 3 z1, that value is stored here, z1. So next we have to check whether this z1 value we have to compare with another value. So for z2 equal to 1, z2 less than or equal to 26. So z2 plus plus. So z31 equal to z2 comma 3. So what it does is, so it takes the value from z2 1 to 26 and it checks out the values, those values rise to the power 3. Why 26 means because x power 1 plus y power n, y1, so those two values are rise to the power 3. So because of that, double the value. Even if 13 power 3 plus 13 power 3 maximum value, so 13 power 3 plus 13 power 3 will be a square plus a square plus b square will always be less than a plus b the whole square. So we are checking up to that value, a plus b the whole square. So a plus b rise to the power 3. So z31 equal to power z2 comma 3. If z1 equal to z31, so z1, the stored value x1 plus y1 is equal to z31. Then we print that succeeded values checked for x, x1 plus y1, and that is x1 value, we print the value, the value is succeeded, and this one y value we print, x1 value print, z1 value print, and then z2 value we print, the compared the value and the power 3. So else failed values, why we print means what are the values we succeeded, what are the values that are checked and for which it succeeded, what are the values it was checked and it failed. We are printing those values. So since the C program is int main, we are returning the value 0 here finally. This Diophantine equation has been proved for very large numbers. This is a very simple program and it can be even extended for very even bigger numbers. So greater numbers can also be checked. So this is just for basic understanding we are doing that. And then when we run the program, we see that we get the values, failed values checked for x is equal to x1 equal to y is equal to y1 equal to like x value we get, and then x1 is x power 3, y1 we get, and then y1 power raised power 3. Those values are printed, and as we can see, most of the values are failed. All the values will be failed because for n greater than 2, the Diophantine equation does not hold true. It is only for n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 0, the Diophantine equation is true. So n is equal to 0 also might not be there, it might not be true. N is equal to 1 and 2 only, it is true. So this is how this program works, and thanks a lot for watching this video.